Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to import Adobe Illustrator files into Adobe After Effects. Here you can see that I have a logo on my artboard and it has separate paths. Suppose I want to import this logo into After Effects, but I want to keep the paths separate so I can edit them in After Effects. To do this, go to the Layers tab. Here you can see that there is one main layer with multiple paths inside it. What you want to do is click on Layer 1, then click here and choose Release to Layers, Sequence. What this will do is create a separate layer for every single one of these paths. Now we'll select all of the inside layers and drag them outside of this main layer. This will make them standalone layers. The main layer is now empty, so we can delete it because we don't need it anymore. That's pretty much it. Our file is now ready to be imported, so now we need to save the file. Go to File, then click on Save As, and save the file. In the pop-up, click on OK. Now let's open After Effects. Here we are in Adobe After Effects. Next, press Ctrl+I to open the Import window. Select your Adobe Illustrator file and click on Import. Now it will give you this option called Import Kind. What you want to do is select Composition. Leave this set to layer size and press OK. Now we have a new composition created from the file we imported. We can double-click it to open it, and as you can see, all the layers are here. Here you can see that we can access each layer individually. You can also access the layers in the media pool, so if you want to import just one specific layer, you can do that as well. Now you can edit the files like this, but you can also turn them into vector shapes. To do this, select all the layers. Right-click on the selected layers, go to Create, and choose Create Shapes from Vector Layer. What this does is create shape layers from all of these Illustrator layers. That's pretty much it. Now we don't really need the original layers anymore, so I'll hold down Control and click on all of them to select them. Press Delete, and they're gone. Now you can manipulate all of these shapes individually as vector layers however you want. And that's how you can import Illustrator files into After Effects. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.